Since the people at Kawasaki were nice enough to send Ray-Bob a D.N.R, do not ride, for his 2024 ZX6R, you know, the thing he pays $300 a month for, and now he can't freaking ride. Yeah, they recalled it. He's not allowed to ride it. So I'm taking the time now to clean up his sister's bike, so at least he can rip to work. Gotta get this thing cleaned up for the kiddies. Get her cleaned up real good and nice, like. Have to wrap this thing or do something with it. Got some scratches in the plastic. Alright, man. Baby mama threw it on the fucking ground when she was in a spill. Man, I don't think it looks better, you know? You can see the sparkle in the pearl paint again. Now it's got some of this shit. I'm gonna actually try to buff this out. Yeah, never guess. This thing's a 2015, and now technically I think I got it in 19, but still, I can't believe I owned this thing for 6 damn years. And like I said, I like refreshed myself on it. I taught my son RJ how to ride on it, taught my son Max how to ride on it, and I taught my daughter, that was currently her bike, how to ride on it. So, you know, I gotta say, we got our money's worth, man. It's a nice little bike, and I've always said I had no plans on ever selling it. Well, who knows what the future holds in store. But it is just a fun little bike to rip around town on, you know? You don't need to get all dressed up and this and that. It doesn't hurt, but you know what I mean? I'm not gonna burn my nutsack off riding this like I am riding that. But when anybody asks, dude, let me tell you, these 400s are great beginners bikes. They're not too big, they're not too tall, they're not too fast. Watch me knock over. They are perfect size for anybody. Hell, I was 200 pounds, and I've always known how to ride. I use this bike as a refresher, we'll say. But you know, I like to work on shit, man. It keeps my mind active. Keeps me on a straight and narrow. So we got all brand new shit. There ain't nothing to work on. You get some older stuff in here, perfect for me, you know? Ugh, can't see. Forgot to do that back rim. Shit. That's skankerific, dude. Let's just try to get some of it. I really need a fracking shop, like, in the worst way. Anybody around here has just got a garage bay or something they can rent me for now, I'd appreciate it. Come on. Like MZS spoons. Let's add this rim, and let's, ooh, it's under fairing. Let's get that done. Let's wait for all these douchebags to get out of here, and then we'll crack it off. Got her all washed down, got her cleaned up. It looks good, man. The sun's going down, but you can actually see the sparkle back in the tank. I'm pretty impressed with my cleaning skills, even though I only use waterless wash on it. I think it looks pretty snazzy. All right, well, here is the windscreen I ordered for Caro's 2015 Ninja 300. Oh, damn, it don't look bad. It's dark. It's not see-through, but it's dark. All right, let's go take a gander. Pop a Smurf hers off. All right, to get hers off, we gotta take these mirrors off, and then it should just come right out. All right, we're gonna pump these mirrors off. Hot damn, these bolts are longer than hell. Yes, and the windscreen on these are only held on by these mirror bolts, so it's a pretty easy job. You know, pop these 4 out and you're good to go. Hey man, hot damn, one day it'd be nice to get the hell out of here. Like, share, and subscribe, or whatever the hell you're supposed to do. Please, please. I want to be like everybody else. I want to move to Florida. Just need a single bay garage, Hell, I'll even take a trailer. Trailer on an acre with a single bay garage. I'll be so happy. 2-car garage would be better, but I'll be happy with 1 car. Come on. And then, ta-da! All right, man. Let's hit all this with the waterless wash while we got it out. They broke the tip off, if you guys can tell. That's why it's gushing out. She's a gusher like your mama. Come on. All right, man. There I am. Hot damn. Like I say, for the money, this was a damn good bike. Not only did I learn how to ride on it, like I said, 3 out of the 4 of my kids did. So, and the bike still runs like a champ. Only thing we had to do is put a clutch in it, put a K&N filter on it, and I did that Kaufman exhaust tip, which to me it's probably the best slip-on out there. I know a lot of people disagree, but I think it's awesome. If you're gonna start, you want to ride, you're into sport bikes, man, get yourself a little CC. You don't need no ZX6R or freaking Jix or anything. Go get yourself a 400 or 500 cc. Trust me, you'll be happy and you'll live. Oh baby, come on. There I am. Hot damn. Gotta say, looks good without the mirrors. Definitely an upgrade. I just don't like how these double humps are like pop off so high. The one Rayva put on his bike was the same way, but I guess that's the style now. I have no idea. Come on, look at me. Do I look like one for style? All right, mirror time. Mirror time. Dookie, go get the mirrors. Okay. That's gonna go like that. Try to scratch it before I put the freaking thing on together. All right, now this side. Oh no, it's all dirty now. All right, take 5. Line that up. All right. Bada boom, bada bang. Looks good. All right, man. Let's clean it off. All right, man. Honestly, for 25 bucks, not bad. Definitely makes a big improvement with the bike, you know? So much nicer. And the bike actually cleaned up pretty damn nice. Yeah, Kara's gonna let Artie rip it for a couple weeks until his bike, the recall is done and he gets it back from Extreme Machines. I don't know. I think it looks good. I think it came out great. I think it's definitely an improvement. So, but now we just got to put our tag on it. Come on. Alright, now that she's all tagged up, we're ready to rip. Who wants to go for a ride? Hit me up. Come on.